Managing Salesflare email templates is a game changer for any sales or marketing team, especially when you need to streamline communication and boost productivity. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to easily manage your Salesflare email templates and make them work seamlessly for you, so stick around until the end for a special offer. Now, if you're new to Salesflare, it's a CRM that's designed to save you time by automating much of the tedious work involved in sales and marketing. Email templates are one of the most powerful features, helping you quickly send personalized, high-quality emails without reinventing the wheel every time. To manage your email templates in Salesflare, start by navigating to the Settings section of the software. There you'll find a simple, user-friendly interface where you can create and edit templates to suit your business needs. You'll want to make sure that your templates reflect your brand's tone and voice while still being adaptable to different customer scenarios. Creating a template is incredibly easy. Simply click on the Create Template button and you'll be prompted to fill in the subject line, email body, and any merge fields you want to include, like the customer's first name or company name. This is crucial for personalization, which we all know increases engagement. You can even choose to create templates for specific email sequences, like follow-ups, cold outreach, or customer onboarding. Once your template is set up, you can start using it right away. When composing an email, just select your template from the drop-down menu, and it'll auto-populate the content into your email. From there, you can make minor adjustments if needed before sending. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're working with a large list of leads or clients. Another cool feature of managing Salesflare email templates is the ability to track how each email performs. With built-in analytics, you can see open rates, click rates, and more, allowing you to optimize your templates over time. If you notice certain templates are underperforming, you can quickly tweak the subject line or content to improve results. To keep everything organized, you can categorize your email templates based on your workflow. Whether you need templates for sales outreach, customer service, or internal communication, you can group them by use case to ensure you're always sending the right message at the right time. But wait, before we wrap up, I've got something special for you. If you're interested in trying out Salesflare for yourself, you can get started completely free through the first link below. And yes, you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses when you sign up. This means you can get hands-on with these features without any upfront costs and explore all the ways Salesflare can simplify your processes. Now, to recap, managing Salesflare email templates is all about efficiency and personalization. By creating and customizing templates that are in line with your sales process, you can save time and improve communication with your leads and clients. And don't forget, if you use the link below, you'll get an extended free trial so you can fully explore everything Salesflare has to offer. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you.